everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can get in touch with customer care on your Amazon. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that you will do is you will simply go to your Amazon shopping app. Then you will see this various options below. You will simply tap on this 3 horizontal line. Once you tap into there, you will simply see this third option called customer service. Simply tap on it, and then this particular article will pop up, and here you can see all the problems and suggested and help articles. If you connect with any of that, then you can simply tap on that. If any of the mentions problems are not the one that you would like to have the customer care support for, then you can see this something else below membership, subscription, or communications. You will just simply tap on this option called I need more help. Tap on it, and then you can see these 2 options called start chatting now. Here you can simply tap on this yellow start chatting now box, and here you can simply chat with the live customer care service. Whatever problem you're having with, you can simply type. You can simply choose from the recommendations, and if you do not want the chatting option, then you can simply see this another option called request a phone call. You will simply tap on this request call now, and here you can type in your number and you can say this call me now. So once they will get this message of yours, they will simply try to contact you with the number that you just added in, and you can again mention them your problem and can get it started out. And the other option you can see is finance and help articles. You can simply type in your problem and you can search that, and then you will simply find that option on their posted articles where you can easily clear out your problem on your own. And yeah, this is the methods of you getting in contact with the Amazon customer care services. So yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I hope this video has helped you so far. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.